Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video I am going to discuss about how to create bar graphs, different types of bar graphs using Tableau Desktop. You all may feel that creating bar graphs is not such tough task because Tableau Desktop is drag and drop options. But while creating any sort of graphs, we need to follow some rules and regulations, and we need to choose appropriate data fields, that means dimensions and measures. So without choosing appropriate fields, we can't get accurate and well designed bar graph. Not only bar graph, any kind of graph. So without any further delay, let's check what are the things we need to follow to create a certain bar graph. So for example, I am going to upload one sample Excel sheet. So click on Microsoft Excel. So it will ask us to upload. So for example, I am uploading insurance sample dataset. Double click on that, otherwise click on that one and click on open. And after clicking on open, it will try to initialize our dataset. And if you observe, few null values are available in measures. So without any further delay, let's create sheet 1. So you can rename it as bar graph 1. And to create a bar graph, you need to choose first of all which type of bar graph you want to create and what are the rules and regulations. So how many types of dimensions we need to create, how many types of measures we need to choose to create bar graph. So for example, I am creating horizontal bars initially. So in horizontal bars, to create it, we need to use 0 or more dimensions, 1 or more measures. So without any further delay, let's choose different dimensions and measures. So 0 or more dimensions. Only we have 3 types of dimensions here: country, country code and measures name. So I am choosing country here. So dragging and dropping country. So I got some information here. Now let's choose one more thing like choosing a measure. So for example, I am choosing one of these measures. So for example, I am choosing market share greater than life. Drag and drop to this. So if you observe, this horizontal bars got highlighted. So click on that one. So it looks like this. So you can see, you can scroll down, scroll up, and if you observe here, we have 28 null values. We have another concept called solving errors in maps or some sort of graphs. We can discuss this concept in further episodes of this Tableau Desktop free bootcamp course. But for this video, I am just discussing about how to create a bar graph. That's it. And I am going to choose one more thing like penetration greater than total. So use that also. It's better to place here. So some modifications will be there. So if not modified, drag and drop to this panel. So it will be looking like this. Otherwise you can change the panel. It will be looking like this. So you can check. Yes, this is the new thing. So based on your selection, based on choosing whether you dropped that one in rows or columns, the graph representation will modify. So this is the position you need to understand, where you need to choose a specific column or a row content. So that's the first thing in first type of graph. Let's create another sheet with the name bar graph 2. So in this, I'm going to design stacked bars. In the same manner, we need to create one row and at least one measure like this. After choosing one measure, we need to create a graph like this, right? Stacked bars. So click on stacked bars, it will represent like this. But it's not some sort of good looking, right? So we can add few more things like market share versus non-profit, penetration versus total. Some things we can add here. So if you want to do some sort of color representation, you can drag and drop to country here. So colors will be modified like this. For different country, different color representations are available in this Legend. So this is the procedure you need to follow to create a stacked bar. So what is the third one? It's a side by side bar. So click on new sheet here, rename it as bar graph 3. So the same procedure using proper dimensions and measures. So to create a side by side bars, we need to use one or more dimension or one or more measure. So without any further delay, use country code again. But now I want to make it in column. So let's do some sort of modifications. So rows like this. But to highlight side by side bars, it's not enough. So that's why I'm shifting the things here. So I'm modifying rows and columns representation here. Still it's not enabled. So I will add few more things, retention and versus ratio like this. Yes, now it highlighted. So click on this one. This is the procedure of creating this side by side graphs. So for representing a specific tool like measures names, it's not measures names, it's not suitable. So I am using some representation like this. So any sort of representation to differentiate the color Legend. So like this, we need to create different types of bar graphs in Tableau desktop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try to practice on your own so that you can get a clear view on creating different types of graphs in Tableau desktop. So this is the way you need to follow to create any sort of bar graphs. That is 3 types of bar graphs: side by side graphs, horizontal bars, stacked bars. So if I want to download this as an image, click on this worksheet here, click on export. You can click on image so that you can export this as an image format. So this is the way you need to follow to create a graph, a bar graph, and export it as an image. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, plus the bell icon, so you will never miss any update from my channel. So if you like this video, please like the video, share the video, and post your comments in the comment section so that it will be helpful for me. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.